This is his peanut butter jar, just in case you guys are wondering. We do not let him lick our peanut butter and then make a peanut butter sandwich for ourselves. So this is dedicated.
Guys, good morning. Happy Saturday. Rosario just brought me my pills inside to take my enzymes with my Trikafta along with what we ate. So, yeah, what's really cool is I love the bottles from Walgreens. So you can see. So what we did was, because I'm sitting on the couch, it's a little harder to take pills, especially with Jackson around. He wants to eat everything. So this top unscrews, and then if you guys see the ridges over here, you can put it like this. And then you can place your pills in the top here. So if any of you guys use Walgreens and you didn't know that, that's what I've been doing for a while now. So it's pretty cool because I just poured the pills in here and then boom, poured them into the applesauce. And it made it so much easier, along with Rosario's help, because I couldn't have sat here and took pills without his help. So thank you, honey. And Jackson was very excited over the smell of the yogurt that I had and the smell of the applesauce. So, yeah. But then I drank an Ensure, and in the past he usually tries to go for it because he smells the chocolate, I guess, but he was good this time. So, yeah, and he is just resting over here. Look at the little guy. Jackson, say good morning. He's just relaxing. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
I would say probably near mint.
Guys, it is our late lunch time, but everyone else's dinner. We got some delicious calamari.
Look at this guy right here. Ooh, yeah.
Guys, check out this prosciutto mozzarella and sun-dried tomato hero. I was going to say sandwich, but it's a hero. It's got penny vodka with chicken. How is it?
You know what? I have to say.
Pretty good?
Yeah. Really good, actually.
Guys, these are delicious. We're splitting a lobster tail. You know the dessert pastry one? And we got cappuccino, but caramel style cappuccino. Delicious. What do you think?
Really good. I never knew cappuccinos come with different flavors, though.
Yeah, but here they do. And check out the showcase of desserts. They got all like the sorbets and tortillas in there. And everything here. And it just keeps going down. Jackson really wants peanut butter. He smelt my peanut butter bar. Sorry, I'm chewing it.
Alright, come on, Jax. Show the people how you enjoy your peanut butter. Get up. Oh, it's on his nose. Look, it's on his nose. Oh, yeah. This is real
butter.
good, guys. I have to tell you, I'm enjoying this.
Oh, this is peanut butter jar.
This is great. This is his peanut butter jar, just in case you guys are wondering. We do not let him lick our peanut butter and then make a peanut butter sandwich for ourselves. So this is peanut butter is dedicated to Skippy over here, to Jackson. So yeah, he's basically.
Don't lick me, Jack.
This was at a half.
No, don't lick the thing.
When we started giving him peanut butter, and as you can see, he did a number on it. So we had to buy ourselves a new peanut butter for ourselves. Alright, you're getting some more, don't worry. Oh yeah, get up in there. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh, this is delicious. Oh, you guys have no idea. I'm loving it. I'm gonna get my nose up in there. Yeah, why not? Yeah, why
He's
not?
gonna be coming.
Why not? Oh gosh, you're a dirty dog.
Man,
oh
Jack.
my gosh, look, it's all over.
Thank God you won't feel haircut
You
and
had your
everything.
snack. Now wash your face. He's washing his face. Oh yeah, this is so good.
He thinks get more. Oh,
Look how many times his tongue is coming out like bling,
Sit, baby.
bling, bling,
Sit.
bling, bling. Remember that sound from the game Mario
Yeah.
when he's breaking the bricks? It's like, ding.
He probably said he needs water. He definitely needs some water. Jax, go have water. Go have some water. Hi, Jackson. Look at Mama. Good afternoon. Say hi, vlog. Yeah, you love your knot. Oh, and there's the ball right there that I told you guys about, the knot ball that my mother got, the red one. Pretty cool. He's loving all his toys.
That's right. What do you got?
Caramel Cadbury
That
egg.
looks so good. I can't wait to eat mine. Wow, look at that caramel.
It's like real caramel, yeah.
It's like flowing.
Like, it is real caramel.
Where we are at Sonic Drive-In, and Jillian.
It has been a while since we've been at Sonic.
Yep.
We came when they first opened, and the lines were always really, really long over here.
Super long.
So we just like haven't come in a while, but
And that was so cool just
I'm
now.
looking forward to my chicken and onion rings. Mazari's got a burger and onion rings.
That was cool just now. They came out with the food with the
They're rollerblades.
roller skates, right? Roller skates.
Roller
yeah.
skates, not blades, sorry.
It was pretty cool. You don't see that too often, so it's cool that Sonic still does that. But I got myself a monstrosity over here. Look how big that thing is. Seriously, it's huge. And Jill's got popcorn chicken. How is
Ranch.
it? Good.
Very good, nice and hot and perfectly cooked.
Cool. Enjoy.
Thank you, you too.
We are enjoying this, guys. These onion rings are huge.
Okay,
Look at that.
Right, yeah.
You see how big it is? It's literally up against my face. And crispy, golden brown. Jill's got her popcorn chicken, which she's enjoying.
Nice and hot too, and juicy. So good.
Yep. Well, guys, they got my order wrong. I ordered a cheeseburger. Instead, I got a double bacon cheeseburger.
Baconade.
It's huge. And I took a bite. I want to try it. So it's actually pretty good. I might keep it. Boundaries. Oh, boundaries.
Oh, leave him alone. My must be.
Sitting here doing a therapy. He just came on and just went into a ball.
You just right up
in
against
Joel's
him.
legs. I gave him this entire blanket and pillow on the bed so he could stay on the bed on his own blanket, and he had to snuggle up all the way over here.
So cute. My baby happy. Guys, Rosario is now doing the back part of my therapy, and little man here made himself comfy right under my arm. My little buddy.
Look at me in the edge. Hey guys, so we about to call it a night. It's early in the morning, about 2 a.m. And hi Jax. We went to Sonic, as you guys saw. It was delicious. We had a good time. It's been a while that we've been there. And then we went by my sister's house and hung out for a little bit. Had some brownies, just talked and stuff like that. And now we're gonna head to sleep. Right, little guy?
Yes.
Say goodnight, guys.
Good night.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Goodbye. Good night.